In we go. Oh, Christian.
Oh, I've got it.
Sign me up now. What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. We have an epic weekend in front of us. It's gonna be an action-packed video. We're kicking it off today by getting the Ferrari 355 and Lamborghini Gallardo going because we're taking the 355 in for some final servicing before we sell it. So we gotta make sure it's in tip-top shape before we do. And then after we do that, later today, we're headed over to Lamborghini Sterling because I just got a call saying that they have the Lamborghini Urus in and they are willing to give us some one-on-one time with it. So I'm so excited for that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get these two cars started, get hitting the street. All right, start her up, Andrew. Man, just got the 355 uncovered. Jeez, this thing is gorgeous. This has not been on the road in months. Because it's been winter time, of course, with the salt on the roads, we haven't been able to drive it. We've been starting it and stuff, but it'll be exciting to get it really out there and driving again. And hey, you know, Italians unite. Too bad we don't have the 430 going, then we'd have all three, but we'll save that for another day. All right, here we go, here we go. Get the pumps priming. Boom, boom, boom. Alright guys, and just like that, we made it over to Loudoun County Exotics. Our buddies here will take care of the cars and get them in tip-top shape. Man, this car was so much fun to drive. There's something so unique about this 355. It's so different than the 430. Super duper fun. And man, it just looks so cool. It's such a classic. Alright, there she goes. We're gonna follow her in because I see some other cool cars back there. Christian, do I see a Miura?
Oh my goodness.
Of course, Ferraris and Lamborghinis all over. Look at that. How many were produced?
There were 150 produced originally.
150.
I don't know, there's been a lot that were wrecked total.
Oh my goodness. Look at just the details. Oh my goodness. That's something you don't see. Oh man. Wow. Oh,
Wow.
That's a treat to see. A little different than today's engines.
2 hours later.
All right guys, just made it back to the warehouse. We're gonna go grab some lunch. Hopefully we're gonna get the F430 and the Viper going before we go to the Urus event. All right, here we go. I'm gonna be behind the car on startup. Andrew's starting it up. 2, 1.
20 minutes later. Moments later.
All right guys, we just made it to Lamborghini Sterling where the Urus is just 200 feet away.
Very exciting news. So we're gonna get some of our shots of it when there's nobody else. This is gonna be just us with the car.
Never seen the car in person, never seen it on the road, nothing, ever.
Haven't even watched too many videos or much about it,
Yeah.
so I'm excited to get some first impressions with not just the looks, but the feel, maybe the let us sit in it and everything.
Huge thanks to Lamborghini Sterling, McLaren Sterling. They got everything here. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, McLaren, Mini, crazy. They got it all here, so check them out. Everything will be linked down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop inside, take a look at this Urus and all the other cool cars they got here. In we go. Oh man. Christian,
Oh, I've got it.
sign me up now. Oh my goodness. Those seats.
Oh, this feels like getting into a Lamborghini. With
But it's just higher.
Seats and but it's an SUV.
Okay,
Wow.
this is incredible. So as you guys know, we've been pondering the idea of a Lamborghini Gallardo replacement. And
goodness, we need a Tesla Model X replacement.
yeah, or why not replace the Gallardo with this?
With an SUV? I mean, it's probably nearly as fast. What are some of the specs looking like on the
Twin turbo V8. So we'd lose the naturally aspirated, but hey, turbos are turbos.
So I was just telling them that this is everything Lamborghini, very much Lamborghini, even though it's an SUV.
The materials, I mean, of course you guys can see the carbon. Look at that, absolutely immaculate. The Alcantara suede, the red stitching, the steering wheel.
This is so interesting. Sitting in here, you feel like you're in a Lamborghini, but you look back and there's 3 seats.
There's seats. Wow, this is so special.
What?
All right, so go through some of the displays, Andrew, you were showing me. So watch how this changes.
When you go through the different drive modes here.
Oh, from Strada, okay, now it's in Sport.
Everything highlights and gives you a G meter over
G meter, okay.
here. If you go down, of course, it turns into like a Huracan or Performante type speedometer right there.
Here we go. Yep, and that's
And then back to the.
huh, sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
So very customizable display. All right, let's pull up some of the unique displays the Urus has. All right, so there is the bird's eye view. Here is just the
A corner view of the front. And
oh, okay, that's the front. Okay,
Yeah,
you can change that?
Yeah, and what's really neat about that, if you wanted to change that, so you could like, if you want the front, like very front, you can pick it like that.
Whoa.
If you want to change that to the rear, so you could pick which camera you want dominating on the left side of the screen. And one of the really neat features, if you want a kind of a 360 round view camera.
Okay, that is insane. That's incredible.
And there is a person walking behind there right now. That's not yeah, that's live.
There are the people behind it with the color shirt they have on.
Yeah.
Okay, that is crazy. That has to be one of my favorite features.
Right.
Wow. And it's so detailed in real time. Yep, there he is, it works.
I haven't seen that before.
That would come in handy for parking and, you know, knowing who's
Right.
by your car.
I wonder what's.
No excuses for curb rash on the wheels anymore. With that kind of angle, you see all the curves for miles.
Yeah, with the Gallardo, we don't even have a backup camera, so it's a little difficult, but with this, you're set. All the different displays, all the climate, I'm guessing the heats are, okay,
Heated seats.
heated seats.
Yeah, so what this has is haptic feedback. So when you
Oh,
push,
whoa,
do you feel
whoa,
that
yeah, yeah,
vibration?
yeah.
When you push, you actually really need to push.
It's kind of like the home button on my iPhone, how you get a little click and response back.
Right.
Wow, I like that a lot. Oh,
And do you see that?
whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. All right, so if he wants his lower, but we want to sync them, do it again. So you just go,
Just go like this.
oh, there we
now
go.
they're both
And now they're
69.
synced.
Yeah.
Awesome. Wait, can we change the color of these?
Yeah.
You said you
so
think
you
you
go to
can?
light and visibility.
Light and visibility. Interior. Oh, no way.
So now
Oh,
that's
white.
Yellow.
Arancio, that would be orange.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that.
Verde's green.
Ooh, Verde.
Yeah.
Well, the steering wheel, I cannot get over this. Perforated, the paddles, the click. Ooh,
Yeah.
it's just perfect. Prince, yo, if we all go like, if we each put in a third.
Or we could get Christian to go fourth.
Go for it.
Yeah, Christian. So this is what we're thinking. We each put in 25% and we get an Urus.
Yeah.
That's like 50 grand a head.
I mean, it's got 4 seats, so we could all, you know, take it.
5, right?
I'm like, oh yeah, 5 seats.
Let's get a 5th person to split
we
this
need,
with.
we need Kieran.
Parker, get in here. Come on. Or Stradman, let's go. Let's all split one. I'm actually super hyped. This first impressions are
pretty cool.
Quite impressive. Interior, exterior, styling,
Yeah.
performance. This thing is going to be a monster. Super high horsepower. We do know it's a twin turbo V8 though, so it's this thing's gonna move.
And it's got the braking.
And it's got the braking to stop it. 10 pistons. So he was describing how this is the first car with factory 23-inch rims. You thought the Tesla was crazy at 22-inch. No, 23.
From the factory.
Holy moly. And look at the brakes up front. He was also telling us how these are 10 piston carbon ceramic brakes. Again, first of its kind. This thing would stop on a dime. All right guys, so I'm in the back of the Urus now. Very nice infotainment displays here. That'll come in handy on long car rides. But guys, keep in mind, I am 6'6" almost, and okay, headroom, I don't have good headroom in any car. This is acceptable.
Yeah, and if you sit back, there is a little bump in the top, so this is pretty good.
That's all right. But legroom, I'm actually quite impressed. That seat is quite a ways back.
This is my driving
This is your driving position.
I'm 6'4".
Okay. And I fit perfect, like literally perfectly fine legroom. I thought it would be way more cramped. I mean, some smaller crossover SUVs, I do not
definitely
fit at all.
Definitely better than the Model X, right? Model X is I think, a little tighter back
This
there.
has more legroom than the Model X. All right, so we're headed out in just a moment. Their inventory is insane here at Lamborghini Sterling. Of course, they got every McLaren you can want, 720s, 570s. I think there's a 670. There's a 675 LT in there. Golly.
A little bit, all the amazing stuff, but then even some of the stuff that I like, some of the used, like an MP4 12C.
Oh, sure enough, an MP4, F12. I mean, they're just scattered everywhere. First gen Gallardo, Huracans, they really have it. Ooh, do I see an Aventador over there? Hold on, last thing before we leave. Andrew, which one, blue or white? Ooh. Oh, the spec, what the heck? Look at that. Wow, so they really do have it all here. All right, guys, we're just headed out from Lamborghini Sterling now. Once again, huge thanks to them for letting us take a quick, one-on-one look with the car, you know, letting us play around with everything.
Can you guys believe that? That was so special to get up close, early access with the car. We really enjoyed that. Hope you all did too.
What do you think? You just came down thinking you'd be filming a business video with us, and then you're at an Urus event.
That was phenomenal. I've seen the regular Lambos before, but that car really blew me away, with the interior especially.
It's just something. Yeah, playing around with the infotainment and all the screens and everything, controlling the 360 cameras, like, holy cow. Tomorrow we're gonna get, we're gonna let the experts explain the car during the event. We'll include a little bit of that in today's video, and that should be super fun as well. But awesome car. So we want to hear your guys' opinion. Like I said, comment down below. Should we get an Urus? We love asking you, should we get this? Should we get that? And you seem to always say yes, get everything, because it's not your money. But should we get an Urus? Comment down below.